Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M34 smartphone. So now quickly open it up. So here in top we get this small box. Here is the SIM ejector pin, and if we see inside it, here we have USB type C to type C cable and some reading manuals. Okay, and guys, here's the phone itself. That's all we get. Keep this aside. So here's the phone itself. Remove its plastic cover. So you can see here's the font itself. It is in prism silver color. The waterfall blue and midnight blue color is also available. So here you can see the font, guys. If we talk about the weight of this phone, it is 208 gram, and if we talk about the thickness, it is 8.8 mm. If we talk about the build, it has glass front, plastic frame and plastic back. And if we talk about the design, you can see it has glossy design. You can see it has glossy design. You can see the shades of many colors. As she Galaxy signature design. You get the Galaxy signature design in this phone. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the secondary noise cancellation microphone. On this side we get the volume up and down key and side mounted fingerprint with power on off key. And on bottom we get the main speaker grill, USB type C port, main microphone and 3.5 mm headphone jack. And on this side we get the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it. So guys, here we have a hybrid SIM card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. And here we get the triple rear camera setup. This is the 50 megapixel f1.8 aperture with optical image stabilization main camera. This is the 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and this is the 2 megapixel macro camera, and this is the LED flash. And here we get the branding of Samsung, you can see. And on front, guys, it has a 13 megapixel front camera, and it has 6.5 inches full HD plus 120 Hz refresh rate Super AMOLED display. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device and phone is starting. So you can see this is the main screen of Samsung Galaxy M34 5G smartphone. Okay, if we slide from bottom we get the app drawer, you can see. And if we slide from top we get the notification center. Helpful quick settings are also available. And if we talk about the brightness, it has 1000 nits peak brightness you get in this smartphone. Yes guys. And if we talk about the screen to body ratio, it is 83.1% and it has Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It is also White One annual support, so you can stream HD contents on Netflix and Amazon Prime. So you can see if we talk about the display, it is a rich display, you can see. Okay, now if we talk about its smoothness, quickly check this out. It has 120 Hz refresh rate display, so check this out. So guys, as you can see, the display performance is really fast and responsive. It has ultra smooth display. You can see smooth operations. It is really fast and responsive. You can see the display is really fast and responsive. You can see. Okay, and after it, if we talk about its camera, so here are some shots I took with this smartphones. And after it, if we talk about its processor, it has ultra fast Exynos 1285 nm octa-core processor. And if we talk about the battery, Samsung says it lasts up to 2 days. Yes, it has 6000 milliamp hour battery which supports 25-watt fast charging. And if we talk about the software, it runs on a One UI 5.1 based on Android 13, and it will get 4 generations of OS upgrades, means 14, 15 and 16 and 17. You will get 4 generations of OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates. This is a really good thing. And for clarity, it has voice focus for video and audio calls, or for convenience it has Samsung Wallet, and for security it has robust Knox security, and it has 5G 11 bands. And after it, if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, so quickly check this out. Output finger, and it unlock the phone. You can see output and it unlock the phone. Output finger and it unlock the phone. You can see output and it unlock the phone. So you can see the side mounted fingerprint performance is really fast and responsive. And if we talk about the face unlock performance, I look and it unlocks the phone. You can see. I'm not seeing, I see, and it unlocks the phone. I'm not seeing, I see, and it unlocks the phone. So both guys, both face unlock and side mounted fingerprint, both are fast and responsive. And the good thing is it has a RAM plus feature available. Yes, you will get 6 plus 6 GB RAM with 6 128 GB variant, and get 8 plus 8 GB RAM with 8 128 GB variant, which is a really good thing. So guys, this is the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M34 5G smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any further question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.